Howdy, howdy, howdy. I'm MagZ and I'm back to do another reaction video for you. Tonight, we are checking out a request from Radiana Roz. This is Tear Down, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. Now, I had done a video prior, which was the intro to Parasite the Maxim. And I was like, oh, dude, that's sweet. I didn't know the name of the band. So I'm excited to hear another one from these guys. Because if it's anything as crazy as the, I think it was called Hear Me. Now I have to check because OCD, or Let Me Hear. Okay, sorry. It was Let Me Hear. I liked it a lot, not only because it was the song from Parasite the Maxim, but because it was just a great song. So before we check this out, Streamlabs offers many different things. Like this is the dashboard right here. You can see all your stats, everything like that. Obviously the streaming things where you can see the sources and everything like that. They also offer a custom tip page, which also you can have your merch and your playlists on, as well as they offer you a Willow website, which will have the links to all of your different social media. Many, many, many other features included with this as well. So yeah, that's a little bit about Streamlabs. I feel like I pushed an extra button. I just don't know what I pushed. Hopefully it's not going to affect anything. I don't think so. But that's a little bit about Streamlabs. That's what I'm using right now. It's what I use during live streams. They got a bunch of features, as you've seen, so definitely check it out. There's a referral link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, heart, hit the notification bell, follow, subscribe, all the things on all the social medias everywhere. I apologize. Oh, nose a little itchy. But you're not sure where to find the social medias. There's going to be a Willow link above me, as well as a clickable Willow link in the description below. Doggy is getting comfortable. It's her nap time, and I wasn't in bed, and she's like, Dad, I need to take my nap. And I'm like, well, fine, puppers. You can sit in the bedroom. She is still a puppy, by the way. She's only like 4 months old, and she is a huge beast and such a lummox, but I love her. She's adorable. I call her the brat dog. Brat dog. Sorry, let's get into the music video. Sorry to pause it already. They just came in right off the rip, melting your face. Ooh, that was a nice little roll on the. Ooh, and then what went to the slow breakdown, or the slow boom, bum, 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 bum. Oh, gnarly. Let me end quick. Bust the down, circle size. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my Lord. I just cried so much. It felt so good. It hurt so good. This is amazing. I think Their change-ups are just crazy. It's like different songs, but they just stitched it together in such an amazing way.
Show it right now on this stage.
The visuals are trippy too, man. Like, it's just not trippy. It's just like they're using like all the right effects to trigger all of the emotions and all of the feelings and all of the craziness that they're channeling into this song. Whoa, neons now. I'm at a loss for words. Like, to say that was awesome and amazing just doesn't, I don't feel like it cuts it. That was just so much craziness packed into one tiny little bubble. Radiana Roz, I see now why you wanted me to check this out, because holy cow, dude, oh my god, like, my neck probably needs to crack again. Nope. Up, little one. But Jesus, thank you again for that recommendation. That song was so killer. Oh my god. One more quick message. What I use Tubebuddy for is they have a bunch of different analytics. You can get individual video analytics like it's this one, so that way you can see what else needs done to the video to help improve it. Channel analytics, as well as a thumbnail generator, which allows you to either get a video snapshot from one of your videos that you're currently working on. That way you can get something from the video itself. You can upload another background or image, and then you can go from there, add emojis, frames, shapes, text, font. I use this for pretty much every one of my YouTube videos, and I enjoy it greatly. As well as another feature that they do have that I enjoy as well is the Keyword Explorer. And what the Keyword Explorer does, it lets you search by your video to find relatable tags and keywords in order to bring more traffic into your channel. They have many, many more features I'm still exploring myself, but so far I'm loving every minute of it, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, dude, if anybody else has any other recommendations, especially like some more songs from Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, please let me know in the comments below. Check out the Discord, which you can find in the description. My Willow link is down there as well. It has all the other social medias, which you've seen in the Streamlabs video before. If you click on that donation link, you get to make a request for your donation, and that takes priority over other requests. I'll make sure it gets done quick, fast, and in a hurry. So definitely check it out. Take advantage. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.